Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can create chatbots in PowerApps and also cards with PowerApps. I'll show you how you can create workflows, and I will also create approval form kind of that with workflow. For example, if we have a form and for example, let's say a SharePoint list, I created a SharePoint list with some field which has a status column also with the approve reject status. So usually when you in the office, so you create the form and then you submit for approval for different purpose of business processes. So someone has to receive the email notification, and once click the link, and it should open the form, and it should only display the form that he has access to, or it should display the form based on the form status. So for example, if the form says pending, it should show only it should navigate to another screen, for example, for approval, and if it's approved, it should show a different screen. So this is, for example, I created a sample app, and then I created database connection to my SharePoint list, and I created a sample form here, and okay, simple form, and then connect data source to SharePoint list, and default this new form, and the sample button to submit the form. And also on the sex of the form, I have put I created the workflow. I'm running the workflow, and I'm getting the last insert ID, or the once the form submitted, then I'm getting that ID. And in my workflow, if I came to the workflow, I did the workflow. So I created this workflow. Here I'm getting PowerApps, I'm getting the item ID of type number, I'm getting the ID, and then here on SharePoint list get items, I'm connecting to my SharePoint list site. Here put site, and then my list name, and then I'm passing the item ID from my PowerApps, and here I'm updating my SharePoint list. Just it's for demonstration purposes, so just I'm updating title and then pending. Then I'm sending an email. So sending an email, just that sample approve reject. You can design it much better. So their title, so approve reject. Here I have put navigation to my Canvas app. So if you click here, it will navigate. Then I'm passing the parameter value of the status and ID to navigate to different screens. So that's the workflow that we are using. So okay, and yeah. So I have, if we run the, oops, I already ran it, so it's opening the second screen. So because I didn't design the other thing, so just simple. If we go to the how you can navigate to different screen on the app, you click on the app on the start screen. I have created this one. If form status is equals to pending, show this screen. It's approved. I mean, else show this screen. So this is a simple way of doing it also. So you can also check if it's exists, but I mean, it's just the main idea is that how you can navigate between the screens. So on the start screen, you can do condition like this. You can also do a query to your list and then do that. But because I passed the to the workflow, I passed the parameter and the email, I'm setting the status, so it's taking me, I'm getting it from the parameter, your parameter. And yeah, so that's how you can do this one. So Then for the chatbots, I created a solution. So in my solutions, in the solutions and the chatbots, for example, if you want to create a new chatbot, you can right click and then create chatbot. Okay, you can give it any name. I will give it I'll keep it Copilot 2, and then with you can provide your uh, website address also if you have. So I will just keep it default and create. It takes a while so generate that, so I will pause the recording. The chatbot is created. Here on the overview there are a couple of things that you need to understand. Set up your generative AI. So here if you click put the generative AI, you can, if you click choose generative AI, you can provide your website information. Or for example, you can provide your SharePoint site information, then you can interact, and then the generative AI access those data and provide answers based on that. So also if I come back to overview and topics overview, here you can see you can create custom topic, create plugin and actions, and then Microsoft Copilot preview. So that's something also it's on preview. So I haven't checked it out. For example, if you create a topic, so you can give your topic name. For example, let's say not SharePoint, PowerApps support. Give the give the same thing. Then you create topic. PowerApps. I think I have created that one. Let me try this. Tech support. Okay, once you create your topic, you can see that generates some. You can edit your Copilot topic. So yeah, I choose some phrases, and for example, Power Apps tech support, need help with Power Apps, those stuff. Here you can, for example, you can click on the actions. It provides the default message, welcome to Power Tech Support, how can I assist you? So this would be the message. You can click here and customize it if you want something different. Then you can click on the actions, for example, send a message, and then or ask a question, ask with adaptive card, or cards like you have, for example, short information that you provide, and with some action buttons. So or you can ask conditions here. For example, you can ask more questions, and then you can, for example, what type of support, and then you select on the choices. For example, you can define choices. Okay, let's say Power Apps support, Power Apps app issue, and for example, we can give Power Automate workflow issue. we can give different options, so that's how it works. You can see it generates these conditions, for example, and based on those choices, then you can also define different conditions from here or extend it, or you can also end the conversation or call an action, and different triggers that you can set up here. So just we will say, and then I'm just ending the topic in all topics, so just I'm putting an end, and then we will save this one. If here it brings also, it gives us the test that you can test your bot here, and then it navigates also during your interaction with the bot. If I say hi, for example, and then it shows how can we help you. If I type PowerApps issue, then it asks me, for example, what the options: PowerApps issue, Power Automate issue. So for example, you can see that also navigate choose here. If I select PowerApp issue or Power Automate issue, then at the end is the topic that we put in. So we can provide different conditions and go make it as big as much we want. So it's just quite simple demo, and we can once we can save it, and then we can share it with our team, and we can publish it. So if we publish our app, so I don't want to take your time, so you can then publish and use the app with your projects and with teams, and yeah, that's it, how we can create PowerApps Automate app chatbots. So you can see it's created. So another thing we would another will create is the card. So it's the same. If I click on the card, but I got something, so we will leave this one for the next session. Okay, thanks. Have a good day.